Midjourney's new tile feature allows you to create infinitely repeating patterns with your AI art. This matters because now you can make patterns for large surfaces like fabrics, which you can then use in the real world to create clothes and furnishing. This new feature is going to revolutionize the fashion and interior design industries, allowing everyone to create their dream outfit or perfect home. Here are some cute little froggies, and you can see the tile here is inside this blue square. Here is a repeating headless panda, because that's what everyone needs in their life. I do particularly like this one though, the anonymous panda. So here is an Art Deco variation of the pattern, and you can see that it can work particularly well on fashion objects like leggings, or on ceramics, or even on your bed cover. The possibilities are endless. Here is a childlike illustration of a repeating woodland scene with little squirrels. You can see that this is the tile, so I can take it out. And the ability for Midjourney to create repeating tiles is incredible. So you can see that here with my headless panda, it can be easily mocked up onto a backpack, or onto an apron, or even onto a notebook. And if you're serious about making money with AI art, I encourage you to check out my course on Udemy, where I take you through every step of the process for creating AI art and different ways that you can make money from that. I'll leave a link in the description below. Please remember to like and subscribe to stay notified about the latest AI art news. Thanks for watching. Here is a video on 5 more ways that you can make money with AI art. I'm Samson Voles. This is Delightful Design. Have a delightful day.